think it looks good, you know, just as we pull it all. There's a gap, but you'll just have to kind of push it.
Yeah, I think I got it.
Okay, so you want to start down here on the right?
All right, welcome back to CM's Garage. I continue on the project with the 1968 Beetle here. So we got most of the interior complete, as you saw in the last videos. If you haven't watched them, go back and watch them. I got the rear window in, and I had a lot of success with West Coast metric seals. So it worked really well. Unfortunately, I didn't get a video on doing the back window. So what we're gonna do today is do a video and an explanation on replacing the front window. Enjoy. So we've got our new window on the stand here. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and get this new West Coast metric seal on. What we wanna look for, because I believe it does have a slight curve to it. So I can see the bow here. It's probably really hard to see on film. But the windshield, believe it or not, is actually not flat on the later models. So there's a slight curve. So this side is actually the outside. So I'm gonna go ahead and place the outside down. And we're gonna take our seal and we're gonna find the seam. And we'll put that towards the bottom. So here's our seam. And you see this notch here, that's gonna be where the window's gonna fit in. And then this will be, this flap is the outside. Okay, so I'm gonna take a little bit of this silicone lubricant made by Blaster, or PV Blaster. We'll just kind of go around the edges here. There we go, just get a little bit on there. All right, so I've got it started. I'm just kind of keep working it around. Seal is on. Looking good. Okay, so here's the front windshield on the Bug currently. You can see it's just all bubbled up inside. That doesn't come off, that's actually inside the glass. So it definitely needs a new windshield. The back window I was able to reuse, it was in really good shape. And then of course the seal is completely gone. Hard as a rock. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and remove the old front windshield here. So what we're gonna do is take a razor blade and just go along this old seal and just slowly cut this out. So we got the front windshield removed, got the seal out. You can see it's fairly clean. Metal looks pretty good. There's just some spots. We'll just kind of sand, get that little bit of surface rust out of there, and then touch it up with a little bit of metal primer. There There's one spot over here. It's not too bad. Just a bit of surface rust, so make sure I get all that ground out. And we'll touch that up with a little bit of primer. And the new windshield will be ready to install. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put some 0.08 weed eater line on the inside of the seal where it overlaps on the inside of the car. And you'll see how this will help. So I've got this silicone spray. We'll go ahead and just put a little bit around the seal. Make sure you're using a non-petroleum based lubricant. Petroleum can damage any type of rubber, so silicone is perfect. All right, so we're gonna find the middle-ish of this weed eater line. I think that's about right, I've got plenty. And we're just gonna pop it into the middle, into the groove here. And what we're gonna do, we don't wanna stop in the middle. We wanna keep going probably about a little less than about 3/4 of the way. Because what we're gonna do is overlap these. Overlap both ends. Okay, so you'll be left with some excess. So I would say probably 5 or 6 inches. Just cut them off. All right, now when you place the window in the car, you just pull these and it pulls this lip around the inside. And should go in pretty easily. All right, we'll see. All right, so we're gonna put the new window in. It's definitely a 2-person job. You have to have somebody on the outside putting pressure on the window while the person on the inside pulls the wire. I'm gonna go ahead, I lubricated the outside frame of the window here on the car with the silicone spray. And then I'm gonna go ahead and really lubricate the seal on the window. All right. Because you don't want the window binding, so you make sure that you get those the weed eater line on the inside, and then I'm gonna go around and I'm gonna put some gloves on for this.
I feel like it needs to slide your way a little bit, yeah.
Okay.
Does that feel right?
Yeah, I think it's. How does it look on the inside? Yeah, it feels about right.
I think it looks good. You know, just as we pull, you'll
How
have
it
to
is?
do pressure.
How is it on that side?
There's a gap, but you'll just have to kind of push it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I got it.
Okay. So you want to start down here on the right? Right here?
Yeah, so tell me. Okay, I gotta go behind you, that's right.
That's right.
So,
I should start on this side then.
okay, no.
This side?
Yeah. So you're gonna work. Is it going over?
Not yet. It's thinking about it. Hang on. Yeah.
Okay, so now you just pull the weed eater line.
Okay. I'm going to go slow.
Yep.
It's kind of slick, so.
All right.
Oh.
Yeah,
Should
past that, it's fine.
Okay.
And I'm gonna have you stop because I'm gonna go on that side.
Okay. You want me to stop?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, lip looks good.
So you kind of just bang behind where the string is.
Ah, my fault.
Is it? Alrighty. Wow. Okay. All right. Let's do the other side now.
Okay.
So now we're gonna stop there. We're gonna work our way to the other side.
Switch to this guy.
All right. Thanks to my girlfriend Tracy for helping. She did a great job. Okay, the front windshield is complete. We've got it in there. So these are the cowlook seals. If you wanted to do the trim piece, the chrome trim, you need to get the American style. All right, well, thanks for watching another episode of CM's Garage. I hope you're enjoying the progress on the 68 Beetle here. There's plenty more to do, so come back for the next one. Thanks.